been a while since I recorded the freaking video. And I need gas. Here we go. Alright, it is... shows my bike is 68 degrees outside, but definitely not. It's around 52, 53. Oh man, I'm glad I wore my jacket, my leather jacket. Oh man, what sucks is during this current time that we're going through, I haven't been able to ride. Just because the weather has been shitty, and I'm not really sure what the policy on motorcycle riding is. This whole stay-at-home policy. But if it was nicer, I would have probably went for a ride. So for now, I just do little trips here and there since I'm on the furlough. Hey, thanks, man.
What is it, the 07?
MT10.
MT10?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That's nice.
Yeah, I had a 7.
Yeah.
I traded in for this one. You ride as well?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a big old bagger.
Nice.
I rode for a little while on MT09. I loved it, but I ended up wrecking it.
Well, it was a decision between the 9 and the 10, and I rode both of them. And the 10 was just like, it's a little bit heavier bike, but it's just another animal. I love this series of bikes.
Yeah, they did a really good job on the MT series.
Yeah.
Ride safe.
Take it easy, man. Whew, that backfire. My tires are still cold. Oh, they're taking out the railroad. Hey, did that guy go over there? Yeah, I should do that. Yeah, I'm going that way. There we go. So this is the Bosnian Cultural Center. It's closed now due to what we're going through. I don't think I can say the name on YouTube. Looks nice. It sucks not being able to come here during Ramadan. Man, I don't know if that mic can pick up the bangs and pops out of this exhaust, but damn. That's, my God, this thing is lifting. That's like not even a full throttle. That's like, I don't even know, like a quarter? Not even that. The thing just wants to lift. My God, this thing is fast. It's been a while since I rode the damn thing. Alright, that'll do for today's video. Nothing special, just took a ride out, dropped some documents. Actually, not documents, some donations. Till next time.